Friends, welcome back to CAT Practice. Today we will learn how to read a measuring tape. So let's get started. I have a 5 meter measuring tape here, and here it is written 19 mm. So 19 mm is the width of the tape. So when I'll see here, so this width will be 19 mm and the total opening of the measuring tape will be till 5 meter. So here we have different readings. So the upper scale is for the inch. So till here this will be 1 inch, till here this will be 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and respectively we'll move forward. Okay. Now the next thing, the bottom scale is for centimeter. So here it's hidden, the 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter is visible here, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and so on. Till here this is the 10 centimeter line. And for if I want to measure the foot, so a foot is having 12 inches. So when I move the inchy tape to 12, open it till 12. So here at 12 you can see 12 is not mentioned. You can see here after 11, 0, 1. So this is a denotation of foot. So after this you can see the readings. Here you can see 1 foot 1 inch, 1 foot 2 inch, 3 inch, and so on. When I move forward, when I come next to 24, so this will be the 2 foot line. Okay. Now the third measurement which we do with the help of inchy tape or the measuring tape is in the mm. When I want to measure a part in mm, so I'll consider the bottom scale. This scale will consider, as you can know, in 1 centimeter you have 10 mm. So if I want a 10 mm, so this will be till here, 20 mm till here, and 30 mm, 40, 50, 60, and this will be the 100 mm line. Okay. Or if you are unable to see the 10 mm here, you can do one thing. You can consider this as the 0, and from here you can consider it as 10 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm, and so on. So the part base will be this 10, it will be considered as 0, and so on. We will take the readings. Okay. Want to take a 1 meter, so the 1 meter reading will come on 100 centimeter. So till here you can see this is 10 centimeter, and I open the measuring tape completely till 100 centimeter. This is the 80 line, 90, and this is the 100 line. So this complete will be 1 meter. Okay. So these are the main readings which we measure on the measuring tape. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.